Welcome to the best hands-on big data practices and use cases using PySpark course. In this course, the student will be provided with hands-on PySpark practices using real case studies from academia and industry to be able to work interactively with massive data. My name is Amin, holding a PhD degree in data and computational intelligence and leading this course. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Computer Science and Digital Technologies in UEL London and course leader for MSc Big Data Technologies. I'm also a senior big data consultant and developer in the industry for more than 8 years. My main expertise includes big data technologies, computational intelligence, blockchain, and optimization techniques. I've carried out several international research collaborations, several internal and external grants, and several invited talks and presentations in the field of big data. We designed this course for anyone seeking to master Spark, PySpark, and spreading the knowledge of big data analytics using real and challenging use cases. By end of this course, you will be able to build advanced big data applications for different type of data, volume, variety, and veracity. And you will get acquainted with best-in-class examples of big data problems using PySpark. We will be teaching PySpark using a cloud-based platform called Google Colab and a virtual machine using Ubuntu VMware. We will work with Spark RDD data frame and SQL to process huge size of data in the format of semi-structured, structured, and unstructured data. The learning outcomes and the teaching approach in this course will accelerate the learning through identifying the most critical required skills in industry and understanding the demands of big data analytics content. We will not only cover the details of Spark engine for large-scale data processing, but also we will drill down big data problems that allow users to instantly shift from an overview of large-scale data to more details and granular view using RDD, data frame, and SQL in real-life examples. We will walk through the big data case studies step by step to achieve the aim of this course. The ideal students for this course are data scientists and analysts to expand the current skills or gain advanced skill set through real use cases and practices for big data processing. If you have a basic knowledge of Python and Spark, would be beneficial. Feel free to take a look to the course description and looking forward to seeing you within the course.